What up, fam? This is Dash Master. Just want to wish everybody a happy 4th of July. Hey, we right here, we out here smashing and dashing. Out here at KFC right now, trying to get this thing going. And like I said, thank y'all. Appreciate it. You too, man. So yeah, we right here smashing right now, trying to get this 4th of July weekend. Just picked up a Uber Eats. Just want to say happy 4th, guys. Stay safe. Hey, we love you. Appreciate all my new subscribers. I do appreciate you guys. Hey, let's go get it, baby. Let's see how much we can make on this 4th of July weekend, and let's go get it. Hey, y'all stay safe out there. Dash Master Life out. What up, fam? Happy 4th of July, man. Just like I said, I just want to wish everyone a happy 4th. Stay safe out there. I just had that Uber Eats drop off. I had to get that one. I just had to do it, guys. I had to do it. It was $17 for 7 miles. KFC, man. I had to snatch that baby up real quick. But like I said, I'm gonna try to keep it mellow today. I don't want to do a whole lot today because it is the 4th. I want to pop the grill and things like that. So I spend a little time with the family and things like that. So I don't want to do a whole lot, but that just popped up. I just had to get it, baby. I just had to get it. I couldn't resist it. I had to get it. But like I said, I just want to wish you guys a happy 4th of July. Hey, I should see y'all in the next video. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Don't forget, if you're a new subscriber, thank you very much. Much love to you. If you haven't already subscribed, hey, want to hit that subscribe button right there. Let's blow it up, blow it up, blow it up. You know what I'm saying? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Happy 4th, fam. I'm independent, bitch. I'm in the building. Look what we built it. It feel like no ceiling. We taking